नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am Dr. Bharat Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Pathology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In this practical class, we will learn how to measure a erythrocyte sedimentation rate by Westergren method. Now, erythrocyte sedimentation rate or ESR. The ESR is a simple, non-specific screening test that indirectly measures the presence of inflammation in the body. It reflects the tendency of our red blood cells to settle more rapidly in the face of some disease states, usually because of increase in plasma fibrinogen, immunoglobulin, and other acute phase reaction proteins. Changes in red cell shape or numbers may also affect the ESR method. The Westergreen's method required collecting 2 ml of venous blood into a tube containing 0.5 ml of sodium citrate. It should be stored no longer than 2 hours at room temperature or 6 hours at 4 degrees Celsius. The blood is drawn into a Westergreen CADS tube to the 200 mm mark. The tube is placed in a rack in a strictly vertical position for 1 hour at room temperature, at which time the distance from the lowest point of the surface minuses to the upper limit of the red cell sediment is measured. The distance of fall of erythrocyte expressed as millimeters in 1 hour is the ESR. This is the different ESR at different age. In 18 to 30 year, mean male ESR is 3.1 and mean female ESR is 5.1, while upper limit of normal is for male is less than 7.1 and for female is less than 10.7. From 41 to 50 is mean male is 4.6 and mean female is 6.2. While the upper limit for normal for male is less than 12.2 and for female is less than 18.6. Over 70 years, the mean male is 5.6 while mean female is 10.1, while upper limit is less than 30 and for female it is less than 35. Now, clinical significance of ESR. In these following cases, ESR will be increased. First, in pregnancy, anemia, macrocytosis, inflammatory diseases, acute and chronic infections, multiple myeloma, rheumatic fever, rheumatoid arthritis, anemia, tuberculosis, systemic lupus erythematosus. The decreased ESR is found in hyperviscosity, decreased fibrinogen level, polycythemia, sickle cell anemia, spherocytosis, and microcytosis. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you all enjoy this session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. Thank you.